Hi, everybody. I am here to talk to you today about vision board planning. Why should we be making vision boards? So I'm going to share how to create a vision board that really works. And it doesn't have to be an actual board, so keep that in mind. You can see mine behind me. Mine's still a work in progress, but mine's a big frame with chicken wire. It goes with my style and it's what I like. I have quotes that I like and, pictures that are important to me of, things and people that, drive me to find my goals or, meet my goals. So it's a visualization tool that represents, your goals and dreams, whatever that may be. So I'm just going to walk you through the steps in, the best way to do this or, a way to do this. So the first step is to discern your intentions. So what do you want? What do you need and value? How are you going to feel when you manifest these things that you put on your board? Next, you're just going to grab your supplies. So whatever board type you're going to use. Some people use cork board. Some people do poster board. You can make a background on your computer through, those apps that you can add pictures to. People use like photo books and, whatever you feel comfortable with and is going to be the most visual and meaningful to you, use it. Okay. So get your board, your glue, pens, markers, scissors, magazines, books. You can even, use your computer and just get on Google. If there's a certain something that you really want, then get on Google and find a good image for it. So after that, you're going to create your working space. So you're going to find a space that's large enough for you to be able to spread everything out and quiet enough or, comfortable enough to create that creative space that you really need. So maybe choose, some music that you really like, dim the lights or, do some candles, anything that's going to make you feel very relaxed and connected to what you're doing. And then after that, you're just going to look through all your things. You're going to find your images and find your words, flip through your magazines and the books, and find the things that are appealing to you. Those things that align with the goals and the intentions that you set forth in that step one. And then after that, you're going to start pasting those things on. So start kind of arranging first, and then you can start pasting or gluing when things feel right. So you may kind of come across things that make you feel good, but maybe not great. Or you're like, oh, I liked that, but, I like this better. And, this really goes with, this goal. Then set those ones aside that just kind of make you feel good. You may need them again, in the future for this, because these are kind of ever evolving. That's kind of why I choose what, I choose, because I just pin things on, as I hit goals or as I, manifest things, that I take it off, and I replace it with something next. So these are always changing. So choose those images that really make you feel full, empowered, and able. Okay. Don't choose images that kind of send you into that compare and despair. It's a mistake that people create when they're, doing their vision boards. So make sure that they're things that are attainable and that you're going to work for and towards. Make sure it's not anything comparing, okay? Because this is all about you. It's not about anybody else. It is all about you and what you hope to manifest and, in your dreams, the things that you want in your life. So finally, you're going to put, everything together. You're going to paste it all together, and then you're going to put your vision board somewhere where you can see it. It's now that visual reminder of what you're working towards in your life. So look at it often, connect with it, connect with why you created it. And then from there, you're going to create a make it real list. Okay. So make a list of the things that you can start doing right now in your life to get you to those goals and those things that you put on your board. Okay. So this is something that should be very fun and just very attainable and manageable for you, because these are your visions. These are the goals that you want in your life. And it's important to put it out there so that way you're just that much more aware, of where you want to be and what you want to work towards. So we definitely look forward to seeing your visions and seeing them come to fruition. And, we're so excited to have you guys on this journey with us.